Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about blood. What is blood? Blood is a connective tissue in fluid form. It is also called the fluid of life. It is because it carries oxygen from lungs to all parts of the body and carbon dioxide from all parts of body to the lungs. Blood is called the fluid of growth because it carries nutritive substances from the digestive system and hormones from endocrine gland to all the tissues. Blood is also called the fluid of health because it protects our body against the disease and gets rid of the waste products and unwanted substances by transporting them to the excretory organ like kidneys. Now, properties of blood. Blood is red in color. Arterial blood is scarlet red in color because it contains more oxygen, and venous blood is purple red in color because it contains more carbon dioxide. The average volume of blood is 5 liters. Newborn baby has 450 ml of blood. Females has 4.5 liters of blood. Blood is slightly alkaline in nature. pH in normal condition is 7.4. Blood is 5 times more viscous than water because red blood cells and plasma. Now, composition of blood. Blood contains the blood cells which are called formed elements. Liquid portion known as plasma. Blood cells. There are 3 types of cells present in the blood: RBC, WBC and platelets. RBC, red blood cells, also called erythrocytes. White blood cells, also called leukocytes, and platelets called thrombocytes. Now, hematocrit value. This is hematocrit tube. Blood is collected in a hematocrit tube along with the suitable anticoagulants and centrifuged for 30 minutes at speed of 3000 rpm revolution per minute. The red blood cells settle down at the bottom and clear plasma at the top. Plasma forms 55% of total blood and red blood cells forms 45% of the total blood, and this is the buffy coat. This is formed by aggregation of white blood cells and platelets. This hematocrit tube shows normal blood, and in case of anemia, this shows the depressed hematocrit percentage, and in case of polycythemia, this is the elevated hematocrit percentage. In next video, we will discuss about plasma and blood disorder. Thank you.